Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gunpla Bear Show. And today we will have an unboxing a speed build. Yeah, let me clean first my space. Sorry for that. So many desks. Okay, and then now we will have an unboxing and also a spin test and a test battle with this Beyblade. Yeah, because we will have here your this is your Battle Top Game X or Battle Top X Top Game from YCF Toys. Yeah, which is I've already unleashed this last time. And yeah, there are so many views for that. Thank you so much, guys, for making that not so viral. But yeah, for me, having 1,000 views is already a big help for my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, so yeah, now we will see the performance of these blades. But again, as I unleash them and let you see the Beyblade on the time, we discovered that it's not made up of metal. Yeah, the only metal part here is the inside part, which okay, let's just unbox it first, okay, with the box and then the inside of the box, what's inside. So we have here your two kinds of Beyblade, which is a very nostalgic Beyblade, yeah, which we already know them, which we have here your Drancer and your Drigger. But here, because this is a bootleg, yep, it's a bootleg one, it is called Vermilion Bird for Drancer. And then the Drigger is called White Tiger. Okay, so they're also called the four mythical beasts. Yeah, because we will have another two here next vlog or next video. Okay, so yeah, so much for that. The side here, as you can see, or the back rather, you consider that the parts here is very different. I think first that it is kind of a CX kind of Beyblade, but yeah, no, it's not, because it's the blade is made up of plastic, and then it just with this what you call the gyroscopic axis, which is bolted or screwed, yeah, with a four-sided or four screw sides, and then the bottom, which is the bit, yeah, and then the launcher also is a bit different, even the Reaper. Okay, so let's just open, let's see them. And yeah, this is the first time that I really opened them and in full. Okay, so the box, yeah, that's the box. Okay, so let's put it here. Okay, so this is what we have here, the launcher, yeah, which is the, yeah, it's a very short, man, a very short one. And we also have a long one right here. Maybe the short is for this short launcher, also is the black one, which I can say that this they also have the name of their brand, the YCF, but it's, again, it's a bootleg, okay? It's a fake one. And yeah, as I know, this kind of blade was present on the Hasbro, yeah, and this kind of launcher is on the Takara Tomy. But yeah, again, these are fakes, okay? But still, they put it Beyblade X Winder launcher. Woo. But the launcher, or no, your report is different, okay? Because as I told you last time, so we have here, yeah, I have here one from the CX line. You can see there that the launcher should have some lines or a space right there. That's the space. But here it doesn't have. Yep, it's all geared, no lines, okay, no spaces rather. Okay, and I also tried this on the launch or on the unleashing, and I can really not, this is not very nice, man. Can you hear that? Ooh, I don't know if it's okay. Yeah, but yeah, we'll try that next time, or on the next part of the video, not next time. And then this also very, I don't know, it's, ooh, nasty. Yeah, ooh, nasty also. Let's try if it's compatible. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, and I don't know if it's good or not. Yeah. Okay, so much for that. We will try this launcher, and also let's try these Beyblades also with the original launchers. Okay, so we have here now your Drigger. Yeah, you can see there, that's your Drigger. Ooh. So I don't know if I will battle them to each other, because I really plan on just displaying them because the form is very nice, man. And even here, this part right here, that is painted. That red one, that green one, that's painted. And yeah, the Drieger, they still have the name here, Drieger, and also I don't know if this is a sticker or not, but I think it's a decal, yeah, maybe, and it's embossed kind of sticker or decal, yeah. And even the form or the beast right there at the center, it's very nice also. Yeah, that's your Drieger. Oh, now let's compare this on the Drieger that I have right here, which is this one, the Drieger Slash, which is from the Beyblade X Takaratomi. Yeah, so this is the real Beyblade X Drieger version, or the Drieger in Beyblade X version rather. Yeah, so a little bit different because this is a different one. This is a different Drieger, but still, ooh, very nice, man. Very nostalgic. So yeah, we'll try this one later. Next is your Drancer. Yeah, this is your Drancer. Ooh, nice, man. And this Drancer is what you call the Drancer V2. So it's different from the Drancer of the Beyblade X version, which you can see there are only 2 blades protruding. Here it has 4. It has 4 sides, yeah. But still, well, it's nice. It's a very nice one. That's why I don't know if I will have a battle for them because these are all plastic, man. This is plastic. It's hear that? It's not metal, okay? Not like these two. That's metal. Yeah, that's metal. Okay, so let's see their performance. And yeah, for their ratchet and for their beat, the ratchet is 4. This is 460. It's also 460. So they're both 460. And you can see there they are bolted this with the screws right there. So that's the only metal part right here that makes them a little bit heavy. But I don't know if it's really heavy. So let's see their performance on the stadium. Yeah, that's what we really want, to see the performance of these 2 fake Bakuten Shoot Beyblades. Okay, so let's go in a Beyblade X version. So yeah, let's go. Let's get first our stadium. Woohoo! Okay, so we have now our stadium, and yeah, let's try. So I will still use the Beyblade X stadium because they are also, the beat is for Beyblade X, still for Beyblade X. So yeah, let's go. Let's try first our Drancer. So I will put her first our Drieger. So let's use first its winders, okay? Its launchers. Let's see what will be the performance, okay? I don't know if it will be okay or not. But yeah, let's try. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Whoa! Did you hear that? Don't like it. And yeah. It has that kind of sound. And yeah, stamina is out. Whoa. Just plastic, man. Plastic one. Yeah, so again, I don't know if I will have a battle for them because yeah, I just want them to be displayed. So now let's have our Drieger. Yeah, expecting that sound again. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Okay. Nice. A little bit, but yeah. Stamina out. You can really feel it because when you get the blade, it will just very easy to get it on the stadium. So let's try the small one. Yeah, this small one right here. Let's see what will be the performance of the blade using this. Very small, man. What? Okay. Huh? You can change the line? What? Oh, you can make it left or right. Okay, let's see. Ready. Whoa, it's so short. So you will just... It's so small. Ready, don't go. Shoot. Ah! It's so slow. It's so slow. Now let's try to have them. Yeah, these are trash, man. Do not use them. Yeah, I don't know if I will use them. But yeah, they're trash. Again and again, the purpose for this one. First, I really want to battle them with the original Beyblade X. But yeah, when I know that they're plastic, yeah, they will be just destroyed. Okay, so now let's try using a winder launcher or a, what you call this, the ripcord. Yeah, a ripcord. Ready? Ooh, I hope this will be okay, man. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Whoa, they're so light. I can really feel that they're very light. And I don't know if that's a good one. That's so good, man. Yeah, so again, I really not recommend this to be in a battle with the original one. Okay, next. The Transfer, let's see. A Ripcord, ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Oops. Okay, fake. Yeah, that's what happened when you get fakes. Okay. Oops, ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it can't even. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Not good, man. They're very slow. Yeah. Again, for display. But yeah, let's try. Let's see if I will use this. This is from the Leon Claws launcher, okay? And a Ripcord. The other one is a string launcher, rather. It's not a Ripcord, but a string launcher. Okay, ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, that is strong. But it's just a plastic. Again, if you have this kind of Beyblade X, this fake Beyblade X backout and shoot versions, please do not battle them with the metal one. I don't want to battle them because their design is very nice, man. They're very nice design, but you cannot use it to battle with the original, with the metal ones, because yeah, they're just plastic, man. Okay, let's have the trigger. Let's see what will happen. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Okay. Okay. A little bit decent for that. Yeah. But I don't know. See? That's it. That's their force. Okay, let's try. I think I just 1 to 3 battles only with these two, the Dranzer and your Trigger. Let's see. And maybe I will use my simultaneous launchers right here. All of these launchers are original, okay? Because my fake ones, I do not use them. But yeah, still they're good. And some of my fakes I give them to my nephews. Okay, to let them play it. Okay, so let's have the Trigger right there, and then the Dranzer. Let's see if we can have a nice battle. Whoo! First time, ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Ooh! Plastic, okay? It's still a plastic gen because they're both plastic. Oh, wow, wow, that's good. Oh, I don't know who won that, but yeah. Just a little bit contact and then it's done. It's over. Yeah, when you played so much Beyblade X, which does the very extreme kind of battles. Yeah, this one not so. Again, ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot, shoot. Okay, they're performing a little bit nice. Again, ooh. Ooh. Okay, I think still for Trigger. For the first part, I think it's for Trigger. Yeah. Another one. Okay. So let's have Trigger first for this time. Okay, ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Shoot. Ooh. And still for Trigger. And yeah, that is our two. Whew. Let's see. Damages. Oh, now I have a damage right there. See, it's just a plastic. Let's see if there's a damage. But yeah, it's nice to display with some damage. Scratches. Yeah. Okay, that's it. I will never play them again. I will just yeah, I will display them. Okay, I will try to find some stand for Beyblade X and then display them because they will be really nice display. Because see the designs, it's very nice. It's a decal one. The stickers, I think it's a decal. It's not a just sticker painted kind of. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, the design is very nice on the blade. Okay, so yeah, there's some scratches already, but still, it's nice. It's good. So that is so let me get the box again. Yeah, and yeah, let's put it here. Yeah. So this is our what you call this one? your Beyblade X Bakuten Shoot version, but it's a fake one. So yeah, that's our Drigger and your Dranzer. Whew, and it's fake. Please do not have a battle with the original Beyblade X because they're just plastics. There's no metal protruding outside. So if you will battle them with the original Beyblade X, I know you will just destroy them. If you want to have this, if you want to have this, please just go and display them. Okay, that's my advice. But if you want to play them with some Beyblade X, original Beyblade X, then go. But still, yeah, they will just be destroyed for me. Okay. So this is it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to inform for our next videos. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. More Gunpla and Beyblade X content next time. That's it. Thank you so much, and goodbye. Peace out. Bye. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Woo. Woo. So, if you reach this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Beyblader and have the chance to be shout out on our next video. That's it. Thank you so much. Peace out.